morning, Bruce. Good Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. You guys will be seeing this video on Monday, not Sunday, because we have a lot to do today. Today is Sunday. We usually do cottage work on Saturdays and Fridays, but on Friday I got stuck working late, later than usual, and we were here doing a little bit of work. I have some footage from that. I also wasn't feeling that great. It was a very long day for me. Brandon got a lot done in the bathroom. He started recaulking it, taking out the old caulking and stripping part of the bathtub that was like looking really old and dingy. So he started on the bathroom. I framed all the gallery pieces for our small gallery wall that'll be like in the kitchen living room area. It's so cute. I'm so excited to get it on the wall today. And yeah, that's basically what we mostly did on Friday. Saturday, we had our date night and celebrated, or our date day. It was a whole day of activities. That was really special for us. And I'm petting Brutus. And so yeah, we didn't do anything really cottage related yesterday. But today, we have a lot to do. We're going to be pressure washing the outside of the cottage. I'm gonna hang the gallery wall, start on the bedroom. I'm probably gonna make a Target run to pick up a last minute things for the bedroom that we need. I'm so excited. And yeah, we'll just see where the day takes us. It's already 1:30, kind of a late start to the day, but we have, oh my god, last week was such a long week work-wise, and I just needed a little break yesterday. I think we both just needed some quality time. And the puppies needed us too, huh? So Brandon is on the way. Him and Nala, the other pup, are coming. And I want to show you guys what I'm thinking about doing to the exterior, planting-wise, for the garden. Yeah, I'm super excited. Just want to give you guys a quick update. Oh, there's Brandon. All right, let's go. Okay, now that I'm inside, I want to give you guys a before of the bedroom since I'm going to start with that first. I just want to take a look around just to make sure I know what we have and when I know what we still need to get for the bedroom of the Airbnb. Whew, I'm already out of breath from carrying boxes inside, but it's a beautiful day outside, so I can't wait to get started. Brandon's out there now, getting the hoses and everything we need to start pressure washing also with the dogs. And I'm gonna start on the bedroom. We ordered some sheets, like sheet sets. We ordered 4 sets of sheets and pillowcases so that we can have quicker turnarounds for the Airbnb. Also, in case anything stains, we have an extra set right on hand. And then what else did we get? We got new pillows and a table, like a side table. I think I'm gonna show it like when, I guess I'll show it now. We got a side table from Target. I can link it down below. It was not a bad price. It was like $44, I believe. And yeah, so let's go take a peek into the bedroom and see what we're starting with. From the kitchen, you enter down 1 step. To the right is the bathroom, and to the left is the bedroom space. We are leaving these closets for the guests. This is where we're gonna put the extra pillows and bedding in case they need it for the pull-out sofa. And then this is where people can hang their clothes, put their shoes, store their luggage, whatever the case may be. We're also providing a laundry basket in case they don't want to put their dirty clothes in there right away. And this is the part that's going to be locked. This is the one that Brandon changed out in the previous episode, so that way we can keep our cleaning supplies, turnover supplies, things that the guests don't really need in there. And this is the rest of the bedroom. I love how cozy it is in here. I really love. So I covered the mic on my camera on accident. So here's voiceover Chalise coming at you. I love how this rug has blue in it. It ties in with the room really well. Eventually, I do want to add a wallpaper wall, I think, just to break up all of the blue. I have one in mind that I'm really loving, but I don't know. We'll see once the profits start rolling in. We have that little side table there. I thought we might need two, but it's a really small space, and I don't think two is necessary. I think that little table might be enough. You guys let me know what you think. Let me know because I'm still undecided on that part. There's the mirror that we hung the last time, and that light fixture up top. I really want to change it. We're on a budget, so that's what we're working with right now. We're not making this into a dream home yet. This is just starting off with the basics. And then I have that stool there. Still trying to figure out if I like that placement, but we'll see. And then there's me again in the mirror that Brandon hung up last time. In that cute little paint, I don't know what that is, a frame print. I kind of want to move it to that little blank wall spot. Brandon might kill me for that, but the more I look at it, the more I want to change it, you know? And then we have those curtains there. I love those curtains. So that's what we're starting with. I love that window right there. It adds the light that this room needs. We do have this weird eyesore space. I think someone had a TV mounted here before in this room. But since we're not putting a TV in there, I'm going to get an art print or DIY something real quick tomorrow to put there and fill that space. But yeah, that's what we're starting with. It's gonna be loud because Brandon's still pressure washing, but we went with white sheets for the Airbnb. I just know that's more sought after. We'll see how it goes. If we decide to change it to like a darker sheet color, we will. But for now, let's make the bed. Pressure washing has commenced. It's gonna be loud. I know you all know how much I love this cozy corner. We added this side table last time. Brandon built it last time we were here Friday, and I framed this super cute picture on Friday as well. It just goes so perfectly with the vibe. Ah, so cute, and it's just turning out so well so far. While we're here, I'm doing the gallery wall. This is what I was thinking the vibe of the gallery wall right here would be. We don't need a big one. Don't mind all the junk right there. We don't need a really big one. I just need something to cover this space. So when you step back, kind of where the chair is at right here, I want the gallery wall to start where that black line is here. So I figured we don't need a lot of frames. Oh, that's pretty solid. Okay. Wow, I actually like it. I think that looks good. Thoughts? We have some texture going on. The roof is clean, everything looks so good on the outside. Let's see, kind of like this one. The blue, like the bathroom, but it's not too much blue. Let's put that as an option. I like the texture in this one. It's like a thicker material, it's nice. This is kind of cool too. That sort of texture. Oh my gosh, this is such a decision. This is very cottagey. I kind of love it. I think Brandon would hate it though. Let's see. I think I would rather have something bright like this than a darker color because the bathroom is already so dark. But I'm really loving these textures. I think this one might add a little more lightness though. So we'll go this one. We also needed a shower curtain rod. Let's see. I like this black one with the wood on it. It matches the wood signs that we have. Actually really like that one a lot. But I think the holes are so big in the bathroom right now, I need to do this again, like a curved rod. Let's see. All right, that's a wrap on the bedroom for now. It's basically done. We just have one more picture to frame and hang up around the corner here. And yeah, the bedroom's almost done. Brandon's gonna work on the bathroom while I take the dogs home and get them some food. And yeah, then we'll be back tomorrow to do some more stuff here. So that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video, and we'll see you then. Bye. Hey. Good morning. Where are we? Are we at the cottage?